Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nadia Pets Cross. Today we are going to talking about how to identify the gender of Gala coquetto. Gala coquettos are beautiful birds that are native to Australia. They have distinctive pink and grey feathers and a curved beak. They are also known for their playful personalities and their ability to mimic human speech. If you are interested to owning a Gala coquetto, it is important to know how to tell the difference between their genders, between males and females. While it's not always easy to tell them apart, there are few key differences that can help you figure it out. The first thing to look at is the size of the bird. Generally, male Gala coquettos are larger than females. This isn't always the case, though, so you will want to look at other features as well. One thing to look for is the color of the bird's iris. Males tend to have dark brown or black irises, while females have lighter brown or reddish brown irises. Another way to tell the difference is to look at the bird's head. Male Galacticos have larger, rounder heads than females, and their crests are usually longer and more pointed, while females, on the other hand, have shorter crests that are more rounded. Finally, you can also listen to the bird's vocalization. While both males and female can mimic human speech, males tend to have louder and more varied calls than the females. So there you have it, some tips on how to identify the gender of a Gala coquetto. Remember, it's not always easy to tell them apart. So if you are unsure, it is always a good idea to consult an expert or a vet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about pets and animals. See you next time. Thank you very much.